Right now it's raining. I'm gonna have to run back home. It really is raining. I have to run. Hurry up! It's raining. We have to boogie our asses home. Oh, screw you. I have to boogie my ass back home. It's raining. Come on, boogie, hurry up. Good luck trying to get back home. Hey, make sure to follow me on YouTube. It's not on your computer, PC, or whatever. It's only on my phone, Switch, and tablet. So if you haven't already, follow. Go follow my channel. It's called Christian Morphe. And no, it does not come with a name. Okay. Oh. God. And I'm wondering why I don't get any left stuff. God, no, I'm Christian. I have to run back. I'm almost there. Just need to walk home. You know, it's the worst time. Imagine if walking in the middle of nowhere and then it starts raining. But then you're far from home. But then you have to boogie ass all the way home. And it's raining so hard that there's thunder. That would really suck. Well, that's it for this thing. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.